Davido gifted his team brand new cars after he signed a multi-million-dollar deal with GLC Motors. Okay, guys, Davido has a heart of gold. That is why everybody loves him. That is why he always says we rise by lifting others. Davido signed a multi-dollar deal with GLC Motors and he bought brand new cars from the company and gifted it to all his team. You have to see the exotic cars Davido just gifted his team for all their effort looking out for him and also looking out for his business and the OBO brand. This is crazy. All his team was so happy as Davido gifted them brand new cars. Everybody was seen riding the cars and they were all happy today. Davido also took them out yesterday after signing the deal. It was really massive. You have to see him sharing dollars in the street yesterday. His team and everybody, he was just having fun. Davido has a heart of gold and that is why everybody loves him. When Davido is winning, all his team is winning. Everybody is enjoying and he always knows how to look out for his guys, and that is why Nigeria and everybody always love him. Okay, guys, I'll be sharing with how the whole thing went down. Drop a comment below, tell what to think about it, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
First fueling. About time, let's give them full time. To start this shit. Gifted me this.
Yeah.
Mad shit.
Yes, sir.
It takes a lot for your friend to give you a 68 million naira car.
Never.
It's not cheap.
Let's go.
You understand? That means he values you a lot as a friend.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Friend and a brother.
Yeah.
An in-law.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
500,000.
Say that, come on. Fucking shit, nigga. Yeah, Israel TV.
God bless you. God bless you. Loki. Wale. Loki. Jaya. Yeah. Thank you, my dear. Number one. The security boy is killing to you. Jaya. Yeah. Destiny Epa.
Big fish.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I can tell you this much. Yeah. I made more money today than my actual birthday.